Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file a rectification request for tax credit mismatch correction. First, understand that a tax credit mismatch happens when the tax credit you claim differs from what the tax authority has on record. This discrepancy can arise from various reasons, such as data entry errors or incorrect reporting by a third party. Correcting these mismatches is crucial to ensure your tax liability is accurate and to avoid any penalties or issues with your tax refunds. Let's dive into the process. To begin, you'll need to log into your official tax portal using your unique user ID and password. Once inside, locate the sections specifically designated for rectification requests or correction of errors. It's usually found under a Services or My Account menu. You'll then select the specific assessment period where the mismatch occurred. Carefully enter the details of the discrepancy, clearly stating the incorrect and correct figures for the tax credit. Next, gather all necessary supporting documents. These typically include your Form 26 as tax deducted at source certificates or any other relevant proofs that validate your correct tax credit claim. It's vital to attach these documents electronically to your rectification request. Before final submission, meticulously review all the information you've entered to ensure absolute accuracy. Once confident, submit your request through the online portal. After successfully submitting your rectification request, an acknowledgement number will be generated. Make sure to save this number, as it's your key to tracking the status of your application. You can typically monitor its progress through the same tax portal. The tax department will then review and verify the information and documents you've provided. You can generally expect a resolution within a specified timeframe, often around 60 working days, after which your tax records should be updated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.